Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thyanne Garcia, and if you haven't already seen the title to this video, it is my third Thrive box unboxing in the span of I think 1 month since I bought the first two boxes that I got from them. But I am obsessed with their stuff. I am not sponsored, so I am giving an honest review, and I am gonna show you guys a bunch of the other products that I got in what I'm going to review. I don't know if it was absolutely necessary to get this third box from them, because I actually bought this stuff in this third box for Mother's Day so I can cook a cake for my mom, but it ended up not coming soon enough into my mail, so there was actually a short delay on my Thrive box. And it was actually a day later that I was supposed to get it, but then there was a delay. But let me show you guys the box that I got this time. It's my third box, and it's this big. Isn't that huge? Look at the size. This is my hand, and this is how big their box is this time that I got from them. My past two boxes were actually smaller, but I did get a lot of stuff. So this is the first box that I got. And this is the second box that I got from them. So this box is a little bit, it's like double the size of boxes that I have. But let's get to the point and let me show you guys what I bought. I just dropped something. I absolutely don't think it was absolutely necessary for me to buy this box, because I just realized that there's better alternatives, not from Thrive Market. I mean, there are better alternatives for the products that I bought from Thrive Market in Thrive Market. So let me just show it to you guys, and I'll show you what I mean. So we're gonna open it up. I'm not gonna read everything like I did the first unboxing. I might show you guys who packed this box. I love their color, it's so pretty. Like this blue-green color is like so cute. Okay. So the person who packed this box is, I think that's Awhile. So she packed the box, or he, I don't know for sure. But thank you so much for packing this box. And I'm gonna unbox it. Obviously that's what this video is about. Let's get all of this packing out. All of this packing. Okay, so this was one of the items that I was supposed to put in my chocolate cake that I made for my mom for Mother's Day, but I didn't get it in time, so my dad went to Aldi's and bought these semi chocolate chips. Actually, let me go show you guys what he got. It was really good. So I heard about Lily's chocolate, but they're really expensive, and I know that it's like really healthy. Like it doesn't have any sugar in it and stuff like that, and a lot of people use Lily's chocolate as a substitute for chocolate chips. But my dad, while he was in Aldi's, he found this from Artisan, and it just has it's organic cane sugar in it. I mean just plain cane sugar, not organic, but it's pretty good in ingredients that they have in it. But this video is not about the chocolate chips, so I'm gonna talk about that later. But this is what I got. It's the Thrive Market Organic Chocolate Chips, and this is their bag. In the picture in Thrive Market, it looks different, like their packaging is different, so I'm a little surprised that it's in a different packaging, but who knows, they probably changed it. But let me show you the other stuff that I got. So this is the one that I was very debatable about getting. So I got different kinds of sweetener products for the cake that I was supposed to make for my mom's Mother's Day. And I'm actually debating about this stuff. I was just obsessed with it a little bit, and I think that's why I was impulsive buying, because I saw all these YouTubers using these types of sugars for their keto diet, and it's from Swerve. So I got this from Swerve, the brown sugar replacement, and this is which one is this? The confectioner's sugar replacement. And then I got the double pack. This is cheaper together. The granular sugar replacement. So the reason why I was debatable when I just checked my phone this morning about the different kinds of sweeteners I can use as in a low carb diet. If you watch my other video unboxing, I got monk fruit sweetener, and this is the classic version. I just realized they had a confectioner's version, and they also had a brown sugar version, and I wish I got the monk fruit instead, because let me list all the benefits right here. Monk fruit has lots of benefits, and even though Swerve has no carbs and 0 calories, monk fruit wins because it has all these benefits right here. And I wish I just got the monk fruit. But I'm gonna try these out, and then I'll let you guys know how it tastes like. I'm not entirely sure about everything the benefits of it, because they don't entirely, like, it's just natural, like they just have natural stuff in it. I looked for articles about the benefits for Swerve, but mainly it's just 0 calories and no carbs on it. So that's what I got. And then this one I'm really excited about. It is a beet powder. And I heard that there's lots of good things about beet powder. I'm pretty sure it tastes really good. It looks good. I've seen lots of recipes with beet powder, and I really want to try using this. But I heard it's also good for workouts. So I'm gonna list down right here what are the good benefits of beet powder. And this is the one that I got. It's Love Beets, and obviously it's from Thrive Market. So I'm gonna show you guys my reviews for these in a different video, because I have to use them up first, and I will give you what I think about them. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and obviously there's no more inside this box. It's just packing paper. And thank you for the person who packed my box. I got beet powder, Swerve brown sugar, Swerve granular sugar, and then Swerve confectioners. And then lastly, I said and then like 3 times, but the dark chocolate chips that has no sugar in here. No, it does. It has organic cane sugar in here, but it's still healthy. So I will let you guys know my comparison to a bunch of other stuff with all of these things, and also the other stuff that I opened before. So thanks for watching this video. Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get alerted for every video that I post up. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great week.